subscribe my channel Root to Nursing. Today we are going to discuss about care of low birth weight babies. So what is the definition of low birth weight baby? A newborn baby is said to have low birth weight if it is weighs less than 2500 gram at birth, irrespective of the gestational age. It means that a newborn baby who born below 2500 gram at birth, it is known as low birth weight baby. Then birth weight less than 1500 gram, it is classified into very low birth weight baby. Birth weight less than 1000 gram, it is extremely low birth weight baby. Then birth weight less than 500 gram, it is a micro preemie. So incidence is, as per WHO, incidence of low birth weight baby in India is 33%. India ranks highest in the world. Approximately 25 million low birth weight baby are born every year all over the world. Nearly 5 million die globally. Nearly 1 million die in India alone. So the significance is 75% neonatal death and 50% infant death occur among low birth weight infant because of the reasons are malnutrition, recurrent infections, neurodevelopmental delay. Then two types of low birth weight baby on the origin: preterm, small for date, or intrauterine growth retardation. Preterm, they are less than 37 completed weeks of gestation. Small for date are below 10th centile for gestational age. Etiology for preterm and IUGR are: preterm, teenage mom, then low maternal weight, cervical incompetence, placental dysfunction, previous preterm delivery, multiple pregnancies, maternal illness, diabetes mellitus, hypertension, eclampsia. Majority unknown. Then IUGR, it is main reason is maternal malnutrition, chromosomal anomaly, tobacco smoking, chronic medical illness in mother, anemia, malaria, in disease of heart, kidney, lungs, liver. Then preterm, the weight should be less than 2.5, small in size, their length is less than 47, head is relatively large, sutures are widely separated, fontanelles are large, their hair is very fine, fuzzy and woolly. Small for date is intrauterine growth chart. Physical characters are emaciated look, that is extreme fatigueness, lethargy, then loose skin fold, lack of subcutaneous tissue, head bigger than the chest. This is the intrauterine growth chart. You can see the babies above this is large for date. Baby below the 10th percentile, they are small for date. So the appropriate for date are between the 10th percentile and 9th percentile. So on half before 37 weeks they are termed a preterm. Between 37 to 42 weeks they are named as terms. Then after 42 weeks they are termed as postterm. This is the intrauterine growth chart. So remember, large for date, appropriate for date, small for date. Remember all this. Preterm are below 37 weeks, postterm above 42 weeks, etc. Then classification for small for date are malnourished, hypoplastic and mixed. Malnourished is asymmetric, so growth arrest is in the later part of the pregnancy. So baby will appear as marasmic, then subcutaneous fat will be less, there is a poor muscle mass also. Then hypoplastic is growth arrest in the early part of pregnancy, there is a reduction in the number of body cells resulting in a hypoplastic baby. Baby are proportionally smaller in all parameters. Babies are proportionately small in all parameters including the head size. When adverse factors, I am talking about mixed SFT. When adverse factors operate during early and mid pregnancy, all the factors will be operating. So it will become mixed SFT. This is the baby with a 2.1 kg IUGR. This is the baby with a 3.0 kg. Then the low birth weight termed baby problems. Respiratory hyaline membrane disease, that is known as respiratory distress, pneumothorax, bronchopulmonary dysplasia, pneumonia, apnea, respiratory distress syndrome. In cardiovascular system, patent ductus arteriosus, there is a connection between pulmonary artery and aorta that will be patent. Then hypotension and bradycardia. Gastrointestinal problem, the baby will be having difficulty in feeding and gaining weight, necrotizing enterocolitis, hyperbilirubinemia, incompetent cardioesophageal sphincter that leads to regurgitation. Central nervous system problem, interventricular hemorrhage, seizures, retinopathy of prematurity, deafness and hypotonia. Renal problem, the baby hypo or hypernatremia, hyperkalemia, renal tubular acidosis, renal glycosuria, edema. Others are hypothermia, hypoglycemia, hypocalcemia, nutritional deficiency, increases susceptibility to infection, poor sucking reflex, metabolic acidosis. Then again, they have birth asphyxia, mechanism aspiration, polycythemia, hypothermia, hypoglycemia, infection, congenital malformation. So this is about the care of newborn care of low birth weight baby. Thank you everybody. Please like and subscribe my channel if you found this video is useful.